Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Whatnot update stuck on waiting or not showing in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a refresh of all the available updates. Then look for Whatnot in the list of apps and then tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold on the Whatnot app icon and then tap to pause the download and then tap it again to resume the download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have at least 1 to 2 GB free. Updates fail silently on those storage. Free up space by offloading unused apps, then retry. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before trying the download stalls, and that's it. All you gotta do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, Whatnot updates, and that's it. Subscribe.